I want to see, right, if I can save this from landfill, right? Can you see how rusty it is? So what am I going to try? I'm going to try some, I'm going to go in and try just trying some of the pink stuff. See how I get on. I'm just going to use a cloth. I'm just going to take an old cloth that I can just bin or bleach, right? So wish me luck and ignore the sink full of dishes. I should have put them away. Right, there's not a sink full of dishes, I mean the dish rack, right. Okay, so I'll try and angle you so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, can you see? I think so. I'm just going to take some of the pink stuff. There we go. That's actually come off really well. So that was just a cloth. Don't know if you can see there. It was just a cloth and the pink stuff and the rust. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try that was just to show you that with a cloth using the same energy, I've got some of it off, but I've not got the kind of burnt in bits off. Not that they're burnt in, but you know what I mean. So I am going to continue cleaning it with the pink stuff, and I will show you the end results. Pretty impressive actually. I was going to throw this away and get a new one, but I thought, do you know what? If I can't get it clean, I can throw it away, because I am trying really hard to kind of succeed with my low-buy. So if something's not fixable, there you go, that bit that was stuck on has just come off. You can see there that has all come off, so I'm going to switch it off, finish cleaning it, and then I'll show you the end results. So I'm just going to say this stuff has been absolutely fantastic. So it's the pink stuff, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's made by a British company called Stardrops. Now, if you've never heard of the pink stuff, you might have heard of like sugar scrub. Stardrops made that. And this is a miracle cleaning paste. So it does say here, what will you use it for? Tells you a little bit here. It says it's cleaning paste established in 1938, versatile, specially formulated vegetable oil-based cleaner for use both inside and outside the home, 99% natural ingredients, environmentally non-toxic, non-hazardous formulation, not tested on animals, and it's endorsed by the Nature Watch Foundation in the advancement of animal welfare. So I think that is really, really good. Be careful with a lot of cleaning products because they can be toxic to animals and anything. It's just when I realise I have not cleaned the debris from behind me, so please ignore it. What the pink stuff does, it's a cleaning paste tough on saucepans, cooker tops, sinks, UPVC, barbecue, ceramic tiles, glass, showers, gardens, furniture, paintwork, boats, brass, rust. The end is listless, endless. It is a mild abrasive paste cleaner and should be used with care. So that's what I was going to say. It is a mild abrasive. So test on an inconspicuous area using a soft cloth or sponge. Rub gently before rinsing off with clean water. Polish with a clean dry cloth. So do check somewhere because you might scratch the surface. So if I had a brand new like glass cooker hob thing, I wouldn't be touching this. But if I was able to check on the back of something and use it, then I would. Or like what I've done today, I wasn't really bothered if it didn't clean it up or if it scratched it. You know, I was going to get a new one but it worked, and I'll show you in a minute. It says do not use on plastic or acrylic surfaces or highly polished stainless steel, because it will scratch it and you will see the scratches. Do not use on hot or warm surfaces. Do not apply too much pressure to glass and ceramic hobs as it may scratch the surface. So yeah, just be really careful what you're using it for, and patch test it before you use it on something if you're not sure. But apart from that, it's fantastic, really good. I've been using it for years. So I just used my cotton cloth, and for some of the harder areas I used this brush. It is a bottle brush and it is really soft, so there was no, it was just helping me get into the grooves. It's not like tough or scratchy, so it was all the kind of pink stuff. I'm not able to scrub too hard with my pain in my hands and things, and I've got a trigger finger in both hands, so I need to be really careful because they lock up and it's a pain. So this is the kind of end result. Look at the shine on that. It looks amazing, doesn't it? I mean, when you consider it was almost kind of like going in the bin. There was a couple of areas that I did have to give a little bit of a scrub with, and there are some areas, there is one area there, you see that there, where if I'd maybe spent a little bit longer, I could have got it off. But I thought, do you know what, I'm just giving this a quick tidy up to pop it back in the bathroom, and actually it's meant that I've not had to replace it, so I'm sticking to my low buy. I've been able to kind of just give it a good scrub. I've tried it before, but I just used bleach, and then I remember a friend saying to me something about, you know, like Ajax or something on the bottom of, or on my radiator, and I thought, I'm going to try the pink stuff on this. Yep, and it did. It removed the rust, even some of the kind of trickier rust that I wouldn't have got off just with kind of soap and water. So yeah, definitely recommend it. And it's cheap as chips, and it's going back in the bathroom looking all shiny and new. So I'll catch up with you soon. Speak to you later. Bye bye.